Based on KTM's 990 SUM platform, the SUM TT designation for Traveler expands on the leader-class supermoto concept with a few tweaks aimed at improved comfort and convenience. Its 75-degree liquid-cooled V-twin is tuned for meaty mid-range delivery, producing an inspiring spread of torque from 3,000 to 7,000 revolutions per minute with plenty of over-rev to 10,000, and offers a relaxed, throbbing freeway cruise. The 48mm WP fork and rear damper were recalibrated for reduced saddle height while striking an ideal balance of bump compliance and sporting capability. Radial mount Brembo monoblock calipers provide superbike stopping performance that makes the most of the SUM T's sport radial tires on cast alloy Marcassini wheels. The 990 SUM T delivers supermoto back-road performance character with an added bonus of daily use versatility. Its frame-mount mini fairing with short windscreen, hand guards, broad thick saddle, and generous legroom have won favor with rider and passenger alike. It features integrated bag mounts for accessory panniers along with a cast tail rack with grab handles and capability to carry a top case. The chassis won acclaim for its superb blend of ride quality and agile, sure-footed handling nature. At the time KTM announced the 990 SUM T, production of the Buell XB12 XT Ulysses had just ceased, leaving the Ducati Multistrada 1200, Suzuki V-Strom 1000, and Triumph Tiger 1050 as the closest peers in design if not price. Ultimately, KTM's current 1290 Super Duke GT has filled the SUM T niche.